Cherry tomatoes. So many cherry tomatoes. What do you do? Well, if you got a lot of them, I love roasting them. So what do you do to make a beautiful summer sauce that you can use on pretty much everything from pasta? Sometimes you can even top it on things like fish. You can even pop it onto some chicken if you really wanted to. So this is what you're gonna do. Step one, those cherry tomatoes, we're gonna chop all of those guys up. We're gonna slice them in halves and or quarters. Next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our beautiful garlic. Gonna mince that garlic up. I like more garlic, so I'm gonna do 3 cloves. We're gonna put the garlic and the cherry tomatoes together in a bowl. Then we're gonna take some nice olive oil, some virgin olive oil, drizzle it over top, and lightly coat them. We're gonna take that and put it across a beautiful, beautiful baking sheet, of course, with some parchment paper, and pop it in the oven at 375. So 375 for how long? Approximately a half an hour till they're all nicely roasted down. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna take some noodles, some cooked noodles. Gonna pop this all together with the cooked noodles, add in some fresh basil, put some salt and pepper to taste, and presto, there you go, a beautiful summer meal for you to enjoy. And you got rid of all those cherry tomatoes.